What is up, everybody? Today's episode, we are going to be installing something very, very fun. So what are we installing today, right? It's in this box. It's also that box. You might have seen it. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen it. But today, we are installing a fart cannon, baby. Let's go. Oh, what the fuck is that? Ew. Ew. But yeah, okay, minus that. We're installing a ISR single exit exhaust, as well as we're going with the ISR Y pipe. I got the resonated one only because I know these cars are super raspy and I do not want the race car to sound like a trumpet. So funny enough, this car actually has an exhaust leak. Right after Pit Race Nationals, which I still haven't uploaded and I need to. Right after Pit Race Nationals, maybe like an hour coming back, I started hearing the exhaust a lot more than I should have. And turns out the Y pipe, right around that flex pipe, it started leaking. So I think before anything, you guys should hear a cold start. So let me sit you guys up and let me give you guys a solid cold start. As you guys can tell, it isn't the nicest, but we're gonna change that. Let me put you guys on my head cam and let's get this moving. All right, I can see myself. Let's do this. So, already pretty much jacked up the car. This is kind of all that I'll need. Sorry for some background noise. We have some people cutting grass and whatnot, but looks like it's gonna be these two, the Y pipe down there. So honestly, if I get rid of this first, I can get those two back there, pull it all forward, and then I know the Y pipe is pretty loose because I've done that before to try to fix the leak, but regardless. Let me try these. These look like 14s. Oh my lord. Yeah. This is gonna give me a fucking problem. Okay. That one too. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I just really hope it'll fit around these pipes. Oh, we're fucking golden. Oh my lord. Hell yeah. So I had to take a slight pause because this bolt is being obnoxiously, I don't know if you guys can see that, this bolt is being obnoxiously in the way and it doesn't want to move and it keeps rounding off. So what I ended up doing was I just disconnected it all the way up there and I'm just going to pull this whole unit out at once. Just gotta make sure I get all these hangers and stuff like that. Low-key, I can just disconnect this because one, weight savings, two, this is not really gonna matter to me. Okay, you worked. Oh, you. Okay, you worked it out. Tell your friend to let go of saw, please. Okay, and your friend let go. What I'm gonna do, as you can see, it's literally just held up by that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually grab my jack. I'm gonna put you guys, that way I can unbolt it and it won't fall immediately. Ah, it's caught on the fucking heat shield. There we go. Nice. So this is what we got. This is the exhaust. It's actually not stock either. I saw the brand. It's on this, actually. If anybody knows what this brand is, please let me know. Never heard of them, but it's not awful. It's just the gaskets didn't really hold up all that much. It's kind of fucking gross, but okay. Now, on to the Y pipe. So we actually moved the car outside because the Y pipe section was giving me a little bit of trouble because I only had jacks in the back, not the front. Regardless, we just took off the Y pipe, which you can see right there, all off, everything's off. But here is my bolt for my catalytic converter to the Y pipe. Here is the other side. The bolt had already broken off, so it looks like I'm gonna be needing to get another one of these, but we have the Y pipe off, thankfully. And I do think it's customary to start the car just straight cats. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place the mic somewhere where you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna turn it on for a quick second just because I'm also curious to see what it sounds like too. So let me prop you guys up so you guys can hear this monstrosity. That sounds so stupid. I can't let that run, bro. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Let me now install this new Y pipe. Hopefully it comes with new hardware. I'm hoping it does, and if it doesn't, looks like we'll be taking a trip to Lowe's. Ooh. This does look very nice. ISR, baby. ISR. But, all right, let me go ahead. Let me install this, and I'll show you guys the progress that I make. You bitch. Fucking come on, bro. Why won't you throw it on right now? Oh, I just swallowed a fucking rock. Ew. So we just finished it. This will be the first cold start of it. It took a lot longer, so I didn't really end up filming all that much, but this is the first cold start. It's all on there. It's all good. I'm gonna set you guys up. I'll let you guys listen to it. So, I'm not 100% sure. I think there still is kind of like a little leak right by the Y pipe area. So I'm gonna have to get that still checked out. But it does sound really good. So let me try to figure out what this leak and that kind of noise is, and I'll pick it back up sometime either today or tomorrow. It has been a few days and we finally got the exhaust situated. So turns out the leak wasn't actually coming from the exhaust, it was coming from my catalytic converter to my headers. So it's all good now. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is the exhaust in all of its glory. Don't mind how dirty my car is, I gotta wash it, but it's not as low as I thought it was gonna be. Like, my driveway isn't too steep, but it clears that no problem. I haven't tried it over speed bumps, but we'll see. But yeah, this is it. Looks great. And I thought it wasn't going to clear this, but what I ended up doing was jerry rigging. You can see that zip ties up there to hold it so it keeps it shifted to the left more. We'll see how this holds. I definitely want a more permanent solution, but this is just for now so it doesn't burn the bumper. More permanent solution actually is going to be throwing this bumper on but doing the bumper cut, so it doesn't really matter where the position of the exhaust really is. But it looks great. I'm gonna now show you guys what a sound clip sounds like.
Ready?
That's what the exhaust sounds like. That's what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's long overdue that I got a new exhaust, but I'm glad I got a new one and I got the leak situated as well, and it sounds crisp. So nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I wish you the best of luck. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.